Good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to today. Today is Tuesday, April 27th, and I am live in Miss Avenia's pre-K 4th grade classroom. All right, so the song that I just played you is a song called Centerfield, and it's about baseball because today is National Babe Ruth Day. And Babe Ruth was a famous American ball player, and he was known for making a lot of home runs. So if you happen to be in the library and you are interested in amazing sports figures, you can go ahead and check out a book on him. So today we're going to go ahead and do our pledges. And I have 4 pledgers, and their names are
Rubén Oscar Morales, Mateo Soto, Melina Ramírez.
Good job. All right, so we're going to go ahead and say our pledges. Put your hand over your heart as we say our pledge. I pledge allegiance
To the flag of the United States of America, and republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now the Texas pledge.
Honor the Texas flag.
Pledge allegiance to thee, Texas.
One state, one in God, one indivisible.
Y ahora en español. Juro lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos, una nación ante Dios indivisible, con libertad y justicia para todos. Y ahora la promesa de la bandera de Texas. At this time, will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has a right to feel safe, loved, and respected, be it at home, on the bus, or during your school day. If there is anyone at home, on the bus, or at school that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or even disrespected, please find a trusted adult in your life and let them know how you feel. Today we do have 2 big happy birthdays in the house. Happy birthday to Melissa B. in 5th grade and Alejandro T. in 4th grade. We wish you a very happy April birthday. It is still National Child Abuse Prevention Month. Today is National Tell a Story Day, and also, like I said earlier, National Babe Ruth Day. Today we are also seeing double, so it is Twin Day. So everywhere I look, I see students and staff dressed alike, and you guys look adorable. If you could, teachers, take a second, take a picture of some of those twins, and we can go ahead and post them on our campus Facebook page. We also have a soccer game today. Also, our attendance incentives begin today, so teachers, if you haven't had a chance, please go ahead and look at the email that Mrs. Rodriguez sent out. Staff, also please fill out the Google Doc to let us know if you'll be having hamburgers this Friday. Tomorrow, my friends, tomorrow is dressed to the nines, so you're going to wear your finest. You're going to wear your Sunday best, your church best. You're going to wear the best outfit that you have because you will be dressed to the nines as we continue to celebrate Math Awareness Month. All right, the character education theme for this month is self-discipline. So today, we're going to practice self-discipline by thinking before you speak. So when something comes into your brain, you're going to take a quick 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to go ahead and say it. All right? So, with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
That's all right, Wildcats. The choice is always yours. We hope that today you choose to make it a terrific Tuesday.